Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. I would like to welcome you to our first video of a course that is related to research. And it's such an interesting course because research is going to teach you many skills. Research project or project presentation course. I'm telling you, I'm going to make it super easy for you. But before I go any further, I would like to know or I should know what is actually meaning of research, because when I check the internet it's giving me so many difficult definitions which I don't understand. For instance, Oxford Dictionary says it's a systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Oh my god, I feel I'm lost. All right, so let's check it out in this way that we are going to highlight the keywords that are really making the real meaning of the definition. For instance, we have to look into the same definition, but the keyword is systematic investigation. And after the investigation, you are establishing facts and you come up with new conclusions. All right, I'm listening. What next? So, if we have the same example, but we take the real meaning of systematic investigation, what do we mean by that? We have a research topic. For that topic, we collect information. All right. Not just like that, we plan for it, that how we are going to collect information and when we are going to collect information. Either I'm going to read some documents, or I would conduct interviews, or I would share some survey questions. Then you have results, and based on the results, you get some recommendations. I'm understanding a little bit. When it comes to establishing facts and reaching new conclusions, it means that based on your research results, you are confirmed about the reality. And not only that, you get some new information also. Let me give you a living example. For instance, our question is, why did the center point from Ibri shift? It had a very good product, it had a good quality of the products, and I thought that the customers are very much satisfied with the products. Still, they moved. Why? All right, now this is my research quest, and I want to get the answer to this question. So let's check it out. I would decide to conduct a survey. I would have 10 questions. I would like to share with some customers, and I would decide a number of customers. Not only that, I would share the same survey to the shopkeepers also. In the result, I will have opinions of customers and shopkeepers. So my actual results told me that it was not a problem of quality, variety, or customer satisfaction. So my results are confirmed. But at the same point, I got new information. That was buying habits of every people. To them, the products were expensive. That's why there was a less sale. And you know, when the sale is less, profit is less, and there is more expenditure. That's why they decided to shift. Ta-da! It's such a simple definition. All right, now I can say in simple words, research means you ask questions, you inquire, explore, investigate, you find reasons or solution to a problem, and you come up knowing new knowledge. And not only that, you share your knowledge with the world, but in a systematic way. Hope you have enjoyed the video and you have understood it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. For the upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. Stay happy, stay healthy.